we are going to Sedona in April. Get your ticket and let's go. And we did, and boy, was it thing. I just don't even have the words for really the impact and what it has meant on my soul personally, and that for Sam, getting to watch that unfold for her, and just for all of us in the space that you guys held for us there was and still is incredible. Obviously, it's creating this emotionality. And so I cannot say enough that, I mean, to the point that I literally went there as a woo friend, and even before any of the presentations and workshops were happening, we were introducing ourselves to each other, and people were asking me, what's your topic about? What are you going to talk about? And when I met you and Sherry, you were like, when are you going to present? And I was like, I just met you just now. What the heck? So it's incredible. And I know that question has been asked of Sam too. And the impact of SoulTreat and the sacred space there and the fellowship of like-minded souls, and your influence, the influence of Sherry and everybody that was there, really propelled me and pushed me forward into, now I'm going to be presenting in November. And I'll tell you, yes, Manuela, goosebumps. Yes, it is our soul's treat. Thank you. Amen. I still am telling myself and pinching myself that I get the opportunity and the blessing, to be there and speak and share. But it is in direct relation to your impact and the hand that you and Sherry have had on my life. So thank you.
Oh my God, Raelin, thank you so much. I can't even express with words how much that really means to me, and to Sherry, of course. And I will say, and I always give credit to Sherry on SoulTreat, while I was busy working on other projects, she really took the reins of SoulTreat. So the main design, we have a lot of plans for the Wellness Universe. I will tell you, a lot of plans. And retreats always since the beginning. It's always been on the agenda since the beginning, when we listed out everything that we want to do. And I can't reveal too much of what the future holds, because I don't want to, say anything that's not going to happen like tomorrow. But retreats have always been, we wanted to make this impact on a human level so deep, but it's how is it designed? There's tons of retreats out there. There's tons of events you can go to, but what do you walk away feeling like? Do you walk away feeling like you were touched on a human level? Do you feel like that you had a chance to connect with people intimately? Or do you go and you're part of something, and then you feel like, oh, but those people who just hosted run away to another room after they're done with their workshop? Or no, everybody's part of this. Everyone's here for everyone's healing, and everyone is part of SoulTreat. And Sherry was really developing that while I was working on other projects for the Wellness Universe, because the Wellness Universe does have so many pieces that, we get it a lot, that it's overwhelming. We get it, but there's just so much to offer in so many different ways that you can play within the space of the Wellness Universe. So I have to give credit to Sherry that she really helped mold the opportunity, but by having everyone there intentionally, the Wellness Universe members, all of the Woo friends who came, that is the type of people that I want to spend my time with. And those are the people, and that's the energy that created SoulTreat. Once we came together, you know what I mean? And fall is going to be even bigger, but not so big that you lose the intimacy of it. And it's going to be better. And it's just, I can't wait. And I thank you for sharing on an emotional level, how it impacted your life, because it really, really was a moving retreat for everyone. I had, people come back and say that literally they quit their job, they changed their life trajectory after leaving SoulTreat. And that's of no one telling them what to do. It's literally what they received through, all of the workshops, and they're, what they came to. Right. You know what I mean? They're not following any one person's direction or anything.
I do know what you mean. Yes, because my life is, I mean, I'm here on Facebook Live doing an interview with you. And, you know, I've held other space for other leaders and what they're doing. And just, yes, I get it. And even with Sam, she's moving and shifting and changing. I mean, she's going towards her her goal of becoming a yoga teacher. And she's, I mean, it's incredible what's unfolding for everyone. And, you know, it really is an intimate space. You know, the moniker is universe, but it is a community of people. And the fact that we were able to interact with you and Sherry and the admin team and the other practitioners there and presenters and stuff. And I mean, it was a hug fest. So come if you want hugs, because seriously, you're going to get them all the time. We are a touchy-feely crowd. It was incredible and amazing.
It's almost like a really good wedding in a way, because we laughed, we cried, we hugged. And it was a family. We trusted each other. We felt like we were old friends coming together.
And we broke bread together. Yes. Oh, it's amazing. So I have to share with you, and then we'll get back to sharing details on the